Hello everyone, welcome to AS online class and this is Narendra. And the today topic is mixture allegations. So, it is a very important topic. One question comes in the examination and the application of the mixture and alligation is there in almost every chapter. So, let us begin over here. The very first question on your board is this. So, I will read it and then I will give you some time to answer the question. It is a very easy question. What it is said, the average weight of all the boys in a class is 52 kg. After two boys weights 26 kg and 38 kg joins the class, the number has increased, joins the class, the average weight of all the class is reduced by 2 kg. What was the previous average? 52 kg. After these two boys joins, the average is reduced by 2. Now, find the number of boys in the class after these two boys joins. So, I know everyone will be able to answer the question. We will answer the question in a best possible way. So, let us take your 30-second, my dear friends, take your 30-second and you will find that the best way we will answer the question. It is not a difficult question, it is a basic concept question, but we will do it with the least possible time, with the least possible calculation. Come on my friends, some of you can answer the question. Very good evening, madam. Come on. So, if the time is over, then I will start working on it, and sincerely all the questions which I am going to discuss here, 13 questions are there, will be very helpful and completely concept opening. Okay, the time is up here. Now, look at the best way to answer this question. What is the average overall? That is 52. So, there are two boys are joining, that is 52. Let me erase this part. So, as two boys are joining, the overall average is 52. So, that is 52 into 2, the total is 104. But the boys who are joining, the total would have been 104. There would not have been any change in the average, but the average has changed. So, how much is the total here? 26 plus is it 26 plus 38? You notice that the total coming inside is that is 50, 64 here. Am I right? 64 over here. So, that means this the extra which goes on is not 104. If this is 104 total, there would not have been any change in the average. So, this is less than 104. How much less? This is 40 less here. And how many people are there? Two people have gone inside. As a result, this total is reduced by 40. So, what is the number? Total reduced divided by average reduced, and the average is reduced by 2. So, that is 40 divided by 2, that comes 20. That means, after these two people have joined, the total number of people is 20. Let us look at the question. They ask the new number or the old number. So, here it says find the number of boys in a class after the two boys joins. So, after the two boys joins, the total number is 20. That is all. Minimum possible writing. Anyone answer the question? Okay. Yaswant, very good evening, and Sumit Pawar sir, option A. But this is the only writing. Look at this one, option A. Okay, moving on to the second question, my dear friend. And all are the important questions I am going to discuss, which frequently asked. Sometimes questions could be easy, but it comes in the exam. A vessel contains 25 liter of milk. That is the only milk is there. The 1/5 of the milk is replaced by water. That means 4/5 of the milk is left. Okay. Now, again 1/5 of the mixture is replaced by water. That means 4/5 of the milk is left again. Then what is the ratio of the quantity of milk to that of water in the new mixture? It is a very straight and commonly asked question. So, therefore, I thought of including Your 30 seconds starts now, my dear friend. Come on. We will practice. All the questions will be important questions. Some questions you may say easy questions you are discussing, Narendra. I am discussing it because this type of question very frequently comes in the prelim level, my dear friend. Okay. So, your 7 second is still there. Yes, my dear friends, there are good questions are there, do not leave it, it is an important chapter, and the one question comes and the application of it is there in simple and component test, there in time and distance and time and work. And 9 is to, Sumit sir has said 9 is to 16, 9 is to 16, that is option choice C. Let me see that. No, my dear brother, I think I put up the option wrong. Okay, I will check this one. We all will together answer this question here. This is 75 liters is there. Now, what about the milk? That is initially the entire 75 liter is milk. Now, you have taken out 1/5 of it, the milk left is 4/5 of the original milk, and then again you have taken 1/5 of the mixture. So, 1/5 of the milk will go on and 1/5 of the water will go on. That means, milk will be left 4/5. This is the milk part, it is done. So, what is the total? That is 25 and 3 times and 16 3 is 48. So, milk left is 48. As it is a replacement, the total quantity remains same. So, therefore, 75 minus 45 is 30 and 30 minus another 3, which is 27. So, milk to water ratio is 48 is to 27, and I think you are right, my dear friend Sumit sir. And you said this with 3 this is getting cancelled, that is 16 times, and with 3 9 times. So, milk to water is 9. What is the ratio as milk to water or water to milk? Milk to water. So, milk to water is 16 is to 9, option choice D. Easy questions, the few initial questions I picked up easy question. Hope everyone understanding this. I am moving on to the next question, and look at this one. As we move on, you will find that some concept opening questions will be there. Here it says a vessel contains 80 liter of pure milk. At first 20 liter of the pure milk is removed and replaced with water. Water is added, and later 28 liter of solution is replaced with water. Now, what is the ratio concentration of milk in the final solution? That means, you are asked to find out milk by total mixture into 100 percentage is asked. There is something to learn in this particular question. So, please take your 30 seconds, and after that I will tell you one particular calculation is there, how to handle that calculation effectively. Come on, my dear friends. It is 16 is to 9, Sumit sir. Okay. So, coolly answer the question, no need to hurry. If the concept is clear, the calculation will and the simplification is good, then the question you will be able to answer it in a faster way. Come on, after 30 seconds I will answer the question. So, here it is 30 seconds is over. Now, I will start working on this particular question. The initially 80 liter is the milk. Out of 80 liter you have taken out the 20 liters, that means you have taken 1/4, that means 3/4 is left, that is 3/4 of 80 liter is left. Then again you have taken 28 liters. So, the total is 80 liters because you have replaced this by water. So, 80 minus 28 over 80, this is the milk, there is the numerator by mixture, and the mixture is how much? The total mixture remains same as 80 because it is a replacement, that is all. So, you are getting the answer. Anyone answer the question, my dear friends? So, I notice that here it is 30 50, that is it comes 52. Am I right? And then this 80 and 80 gets cancelled over here, and what else is getting cancelled? Okay. So, now I notice that with 4 this gets cancelled here, with 4, 13 4 is 52, 13 and 13 3 is 39, 39 by 80. So, I need to find out the percentage here 39 by 80. In most of the cases I am not teaching anything to you. The only thing, wherever the best method is there, I discuss that part, and it is a practice for you. Now, how do I calculate this percentage? So, one thing is into 100 and you can go for that, but the another thing is that my dear friends, look at this one, look at this one. So, here can I look at this as 40 minus 1? So, what is 40 by 80? 40 by 80 is 50% and minus what is 1 by 80? I do not know, but what I know is 1 by 8 is 12.5%, then 1 by 80 will be 1.2%, 25%. So, 50 minus 1.25%. So, what it will come? 28.75%. So, 48.75%. So, let us write down this one, 48.75% should be the exact answer. Anyone answer the question? Anyone answer the question? 48.75, that is right, Mr. Sumit Pawar. Okay, that is 48.75, option choice D, that is right, that is right. Okay. Now, moving on to the next question here. All these questions comes in the exam, I know, because I am working for many years on these exams. A vessel consists of a certain quantity of milk solution in which the milk and water being in the ratio of 9:5, 9 part is milk, 5 part is water. Now, from this 14 liter of milk solution is removed. When you take out the 14 liters, what you are expected to know is how much milk is out and how much water is out, because the same quantity is not replaced, removed, and 34 liter of water is added. So, when you are taking out the 14 liter of mixture, and which this is milk and mixture are in the ratio of 9:5. So, the 9 plus 5 is 14, that means the 14 liter is 14 part, then 9 part will be 9 liter. So, the milk out is 9 liters and the water out is 5 liters, that is how total 14 liters, and it is replaced by 34 liter of water, water is added. Now, if the ratio of the milk and water in the final solution is 2:3, then find the initial quantity of solution in the vessel. Think of it, my dear friend. I am sure some of you will be able to answer the question. Your 30 seconds starts now. Come on. 70 liters. Oh, look at this, Yaswant. You are so good, Yaswant. You are so good. 70 liters. Let me see that we have 10 seconds, 9 seconds. After it is over, I will check your answer, and I surprised how did you answer so fast. 70 liter, option choice D. Option choice D. We are on question number 4. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, the time is up. Now, I will answer the question here. What should I consider this value? That is 9 part is the milk. So, I will consider this milk is 9x, and this 4 part is water. I will consider 5 part is water. I will consider 5x as water. So, from here how many liters of milk is taken out? 9 liter of milk is taken out. So, let us put in the equation over here, that is 9x minus 9 by what happened here? 5x. From 5x you have taken 5 liter. So, that is 5x minus 5 liters, and is anything is added? 24 liter of water is added. So, add the 34 liter. So, add the 34 liter and you are getting the milk to water ratio, that is 2:3. That is what I think Yaswant understood it. Now, after that it is a simplification only. So, you can see that this is 29 over here, then cancel this one. So, what happens here when I multiply this by 3. So, that is 3 9 is 27, 3 9 is 27 over here, and 5 2 is 10 over here. The difference is 17x, okay, 17x, which is equal to, that is 18 over here, 9 3 27, not 18, and 2 into 29, that comes 58 over here, and the difference between these two, no, both are in minus, right. Now, this is in plus. So, as this is plus, this is minus, I need to add up this one, and that comes 70 85, am I right. So, that is 17x is equal to 85, therefore, x is equal to 5. Once I get the x is equal to 5, you are asked that the initial value is 9 plus 4 is 14. So, that is what will be 14x where x is equal to 5. So, 70. Yashwant has so beautifully answered the question. So, that is right, my dear friend Yashwant, option choice D. Option choice D. So, conceptual clarity is there, I understand. Okay. Hope this is clear. I am not bothering about the writing part and all. If you are understanding the method, that is more than enough for me. So, I am moving on to the okay, do not worry, the 9th question, please wait, where the blanks we need to fill up, and the same way the 13th question where we have to fill up the blank. You know, this type of question comes when you go to the main. Now, coming to the next question, and this is here, this here, my dear friend. So, what is this question? Let me read it out. The two variety of rice A and B mixed in a certain ratio and sold for rupees 63.72. This is selling price. Now, with a profit of 20%, when I have the SP and we have the profit percentage, I can find out the cost price. Now, if the cost price of these two variety A and B is 65 rupees and 48 rupees, and mean cost price I will be getting from here respectively, and the total weight of the rice is of the both the variety is rupees 4000. So, I will be using the alligation mixture method, I will get the ratio of A to B, the total is given, based on that I can find out A and B. So, what is the weight of the rice of variety A? Come on, my dear friends, take your 30 seconds and then we can answer this question. Come on. Some of you make it as a practice, we are just practicing it every day 1 hour. So, with timing, I gave you the clarity also, the way this has to be answered. I wish Yashwant can answer this question. I also wish that Sumit and Anusha can answer the question. So, you can see that these are the options over here. So, we are on question number 5. First, we will find out the cost price over here. First, we will find out the cost price, and what is that cost price? So, let me find out the cost price of this, that is 63.72 into, here it is 120%. So, I need 100%, that is 5 by 6. So, into 5 by 6, and here I am getting this value as 53.1. So, this is the mean cost price, and after that anyone else, anyone answer the question? Anyone answer the question? And after that, what I am going to do here, I have the cheaper higher rate, that is 65, I have the cheaper rate, that is 48, and I have the mean rate, that is 53.1. So, I will take the ratio over here, and once I get the ratio of A to B, the total is given to us. Based on that ratio, I will find out my required value, that is how much is A, and this is your options. Come on, my dear friends, answer it. And Tabitha has said D, and Pawan has said Sumit Pawar has said 1200, Yashwant sir, what happens? 1200, that is option D. Let me check that. Yes, Mr. Sumit Pawar and Anusha, 1200 is the correct answer. Correct answer. So, what you might have understood here, this much you know, and from here to here the difference is 5.1 over here, and the difference from here to here is 11.1. Okay. Now, both are getting cancelled by 17, 17.3 and 17 7, 119. So, 3 is to 7. Now, the total is 4000. I need the A. So, A is 3 part out of 10 parts, 3, 4, 12. You rightly answer the question. Rightly answer the question. So, it is a practice only. I am not trying to teach you something, my dear friend, here. Okay. The next one is question number 6. Hope Yashwant you understood this. What is this one? 4 years ago, the average age of 3 persons P, Q and R, remember that 4 years ago, was 38. So, I can find out the present age of the total age of P, Q and R. The ratio of the age of Q 4 years hence to R 4 years ago is 22:19. Q 4 years hence, R 4 years ago. Okay. The next one, P is 4 years older than Q. So, the P age is connected with Q. Now, what is the present age of P? Now, let me give you the start over here. I know that this ratio is the Q and R. So, this is Q and R. Now, Q 4 years hence, it is 22x. After 4 years, 22x. Then what will be the present age? 22x minus 4. So, I will write down this as 22x minus 4 is the present age of Q. Similarly, I will use this ratio. This is 19, the R is 19. When? That is age 4 years ago. 4 years back it was 19x. Then the present will be, so 19x plus 4. And what is P then? The P is said that P is 4 years older than Q. So, this is the Q. So, if I add 4 years over here, then I will be getting the P age. So, that is this plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled, and I will be getting this as 26x 22x as the present age of P. Okay. From here I will give the 30-second time, my dear friends, and I hope you will be able to answer the question or you will learn the best way to answer this question. And 1200, okay, okay. Yashwant, my dear friend, for the previous question 1200, that is correct, that is correct. We are practicing it, we know that coming months onwards the examination starts. So, just come and I will be discussing the exam level questions. When you go to the main level, in the prelim level direct question comes. When you go to the main level, a little bit of logical questions will be there like this. And 44, Yashwant, you have already answered 44, the time is up. Let me check Mr. Yashwant is correct or not. Option A, that is right, that is right, that is what Yashwant 002 is. Okay. Now, what is the total age? The total age is 22x and 22x, that is 44x, 44, 54 and 44, 54 and 63. So, that is that comes 63x. Am I right over here? The total is 63x, minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. That is the total age, which is equal to that is 32 into 3, 38. 38 into 3, and this is the age when 4 years ago. So, the P will age will increase by 4, Q increase by 4, R will increase by 4. So, 4 into 3, 12. So, plus 12. Okay. So, here I am getting 114, and when I add 12, 126. So, 63x is equal to 126. Therefore, x is equal to 2 I am getting here. Now, what is the question here? Look at this one. What is the present age of P? The present age of P is 22x, where x is equal to 2. So, 22 into 2, as Yashwant has rightly said, 44 years should be my answer. Well done, sir. Well done. Anyone else answer the question? Anusha, well done. Hope Sumit sir understood it. Moving on to the next question, and here is question number 7. Total 13 question we will discuss today. Question number 7 here. What it is said, there are 1200 students in a school, of which 40% are boys, obviously 60% are girls. That means I am understanding that boys to girls ratio is 2:3. And the next part it said, in an examination, the average marks of the boy is 3 less than the average marks of the entire school. If the entire school average for total, if it is x, then the average for boys will be x minus 3, 3 less. Okay. What is next? It is said, and the average age of the girl, average marks of the girl is 70. So, let me write down that also, the average of girls, and that is given to us as 70. Okay. And after that I will read it out. I am sure Yashwant and Sumit sir will be able to answer it. Find the average of the marks of the entire school, given that all the students of the school appeared the examination. We know that girls is 70, we know the boys is x minus 3, we know the mean is x, and we know the boys to girls ratio is 2:3. Come on my dear friends, we will learn it, how to do it, or consider it as a practice, Yashwant, if you are able to do it. Sumit sir, 68, oh my God, oh my God. While I was reading the question, Sumit has already answered it, Mr. Sumit Pawar. 68, let the time is over, and then I will check your answer, my dear friend. I will check your answer. Oh, what a magical approach is. What a magical approach is. The time is over. Now, I will show you one thing, that if the boys and girls ratio is 2:3 and the boys percentage pass is 40% and the girls percentage pass is 60%, then what is overall pass percentage? That is 2 into 40. You do this way, 2 into 40 plus 3 into 60 divided by 2 plus 3, that is 5. That you get the overall. The same approach we will apply over here. Here. So, what is the number of boys? Boys is 2. So, 2 into x minus 3. So, let us come to this part. Here I will be solving 2 into x minus 3. I need the overall, that is x value, plus what is the girls ratio? That is 3 part, 3 into 70. We know the girls, which is given in the question, divided by that is 2 plus 3, which is 5, which is equal to overall, which is nothing but we considered as x. So, by solving this, we will get the x value. Anyone answer the question here? Okay, Sarath sir, 68, Yashwant, please come on. I will be solving by the time the Yashwant will complete this. Okay. Now, look at this one. This is 2x minus 6 over here and plus 210 over here, which is equal to 5x. So, when I solve this over here 204. So, now I notice that that is 2x and 5x, that is nothing but 3x. 3x is equal to 204. Then what is x? Am I right? That is what I need to find it out. So, the x is equal to, that is 6, 18, and then comes 8. So nicely answer the question, Mr. Sarath Pawar sir, Sumit Pawar, I am sorry, Sumit Pawar, 68. Yaswant, you are right, you are right. So, you are understanding, no, in the process of solving the questions, your speed will increase, conceptual understanding will increase, my dear friend. So, come on, I will be moving on to the next question, and option choice C, 68, rightly answer the question. So, the next question is here. All the questions are the least calculative approach. Here, a vessel contains 60 liter of mixture of milk and water. The 6 liter of mixture is replaced with 3 liter of milk and 3 liter of water. That means total quantity will remain same. Okay, so that the milk and water are in the ratio in this mixture is become 13:7. I know the total quantity. Okay, after these changes, 6 liter mixture is taken out and 3 liter water, 3 liter milk is poured. After that, this is the ratio of the milk to water. Now, what is the ratio of the quantity of milk and water in the mixture at initial stage? Okay. So, shall I give you the start how to answer this question, how to approach this question. So, I will consider that what is the total is 60 liters, okay, total is 60 liters are there, and when you are taking out milk, in this milk how much milk is there, I do not know. So, here you need to consider that the milk is x liters. Let us assume that the total is 60 liter, in which milk is x liter. So, as 6 liter is taken out. Now, what is the relation with this 6 and 60? This is 10%. When the 10% is taken out, so how much milk will be left? The milk will be left that is 90%. That is 90% of x is nothing but 0.9 x is the milk. Right, my dear friend? So, understanding this part, can I write down this as 0.9 x plus the milk added here is 3 liters. This is milk by total. Milk by total. The total is 60, which is equal to, what is the ratio we have? The milk by total, and that comes 13 by that comes 13 by 20. Now, here I leave for your calculation 30 seconds for you. If I am in the middle of the text, I keep myself side. Now, some of you will definitely be able to answer the question, and Yaswant has already said 2:1. 2:1 initial ratio. The moment I get the x value, by doing so, I will be getting the initial value of milk, and once I get the initial value of milk, total mixture is 60. So, 60 minus milk, I will get water, and I will be getting the water to milk ratio. Okay. Good, good, Sumit sir. Option D, 2:1. It is a revision. I know that you people know it. Option D, beautifully done it. Hope you are understanding it. Total is 60 liter, and how much is milk? It is said that milk to water ratio. So, I consider the milk is x. So, as 10% is taken out, 90% milk is left, 0.9 x, and then 3 liter of milk is added, 0.9 x plus 3 by total is equal to 13 by 20, and from here onwards I will solve it. Hope this arrangement is clear. So, I am cancelling this one. This is 3 and 13, 3 is 39, 39 minus 3, that is 36. So, 1 minute, 0.9 x is equal to 36. 39 minus 3, 36, then what is x? X is equal to 40, that means milk is 40. So, out of 60, if the milk is 40, then the water is 20 and the ratio is, rightly you said, 2:1. Well done, sir, well done. So, 2:1 is the ratio of milk and water. I am moving on to the next question, that is question number 9 here. What is this question? Let us read it out. When you go to the mean exam, you get the questions like this. The average of age of the husband wife was 28 years when they got married few years ago. They when they got married few years ago, at that time the average was 28, right, average was 28, wife and husband. Next it says the present average of the husband, wife and children who was born during the interval is 30. So, that means the present husband, wife and a child, one child is there, and the total given to us is 30 into 3, that is 90 at present. The next one, the child was, look at this one, the twist of the question is from here. The child was born x years after their marriage. So, their marriage took place over here. So, after x years the child is getting born here. The present age of the child is y years. So, the present age is y years. So, from present to marriage, that is x plus y. Next, which of the following value justify the blanks respectively? Okay, my dear friends, what I will do is one equation I can frame, that is 28 after few years. After how many years? This is y year and this is x year. So, this is 28 into 2 plus the wife age x plus y, it increases, husband's age increases by x plus y. So, can I say that wife and husband age presently, husband plus wife age is equal to 28 into 2, which is 56 plus husband increases by x plus y, the wife increases by x plus y. So, 2 times of x plus y, right my dear friend. Okay. Here I will give 30 seconds to you, if you can answer the question it is fine, or else we together will answer the question here. You know 28 years they got married, few years back they got married, at that time the average age of the husband and wife was 28. Okay. And what is that few years gap? That is x years plus y years. So, here the husband age plus wife age is the 28 into 2, 56 plus the wife increases by x plus y, husband increases by x plus y, 2 times of x plus y, that I am getting the total age of wife and husband. You are asked what value of satisfy x and y, given that the husband, wife and child total age is 90. Come on. Oh my God, someone has Narasimha Rao, you are saying option A. Narasimha Rao was so quick to answer the question. Option A, if it is right my dear friend, then you are marvelous, you are really marvelous. I salute you my dear friend, Mr. Narasimha Rao. Okay, fine. Okay, time is up. Now, I will start answering the question in order to check whether Narasimha is correct or not. So, what we are understanding is here, that is this one is 56 husband wife and minus, okay, it is done minus, I will write down this in this way, the variables I will bring over here minus 2 times of x plus y, which is equal to 56. And what else we know? The husband plus wife and plus x plus y, the age of the child. So, plus y, I will be getting this as 90. Subtract it. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So, from 2 subtract 1, then this gets cancelled over here, this gets cancelled over here, and this is minus 2x, and minus of minus 2y, and here plus. So, what you are getting on this 56, when you go for the minus, you are subtracting 2 minus 1, then this is become plus and this is become plus. So, 2x and minus 2x plus 3y, I am getting this 2x plus 3y, this is plus and this is plus 3y, which is equal to how much? 90 minus 56, and that comes 34. So, which of the following options will satisfy the x value and y value? Let us check the first option. X is 6, y is 8, 6 and 8. So, 6 2 is 12 and 8 3 is 24. 12 plus 24, I am getting 36, not 34 over here. So, A is not. Coming to B, that is 2 and 10. If I take the 2 over here, I take the 10 over here, 2 into 2 is 4 and 10 into 3 is 30. Am I right? So, 30 plus 4, 34. So, that means B satisfies. But when I go to the option choices, along with B, A is not, C is also there. So, A is not, you can remove this one. Let us check the C. If you place 8 and 6, what happens over here? 8 and 6, will that satisfy? Check this one. This is 8 and 6. So, 8 to 16 and 6 3 is 18. 16 plus 18 is 34. So, that means the C also satisfies. And my last verification, because with B and C we have the D also, I am going to verify the last option, that is D. And what is that D is? That is 10 and 4. So, this is 10 and 4. So, there is 20 plus 12 is 32. It is not. So, only B and C satisfies. Therefore, your option choice should be B. Option B is your answer, my dear friend. So, when you go to the main level, you will get the questions of this nature, where you have to seriously work out. So, Mr. Narasimha sir, so it is B and C. A is not satisfying, 2x plus 3y. Hope you understood it, or you can rewatch it. I am moving on to the next question, and it is here. Okay, the 13th question is one more question, very important question. Wait for that, we are on 10th question. The average of 10 two-digit number is decreased by 2.7 when the digit of one of the numbers interchanged. That means, if the one of the two-digit number is x and y, now if you change this, interchange the digits y and x, then the average is decreased by what happened? The average, it is decreased by 2.7. Okay. After that, what it says? What is the difference between the digits of the number? Difference between digits of the number. How do we write it? The first number, this is 10x plus y. So, 10x plus y, we write this in this way, and here it is, we write this as 10y plus x, we write in this format. how many numbers are there? 10 two-digit numbers are there. So, what will be the total into 10? What will be the total into 10? Right, my dear friends. So, I will give 30 seconds for you to think of it. So, frame your mind and then I will be giving the best possible answer on this. Come on Narsimha, can you answer the question? That's right, option choice B, option choice B. So, now it is a time, you do not get the time once the exams are started. So, let us have some, none of these, oh my God, what a beautifully you answer the question, my dear friend, what a beautifully you answer the question. Okay, let me check and expand it before I check the answer of Sumit Pawar sir. So, that is what is the what is given to us. Now, given to us is that is 10x plus y, 10x plus y, that is what the number is, and minus this is 10y plus x, which is equal to how much is given? It is 2.27. The total, when the average is decreased by 2.7, the total is decreased by how much? 10 into 2.7, that is 27. This is the difference between these two numbers. Therefore, the total is decreased by 27. I do not need to even write this 10, right? I do not need to write this 10. The difference between these two numbers is 27, because the average is decreased by 2.7. So, that means the total is decreased by 10 into 2.7, that is 27. So, when I open up the brackets, so 10x minus y, then I will be getting the 9x and then minus over here minus 10y plus y, that is 9y over here, which is 27. I will take the common, I need the difference between the digits of x and y, that is x minus y, and that is 27 and 9 over here. So, when you cancel this one, so you are getting 3 here. So, x minus y, that means the difference between the digits is 3, and I hope my friend has rightly said we do not have the option 3 here, option choice E. Well done. Anyone else answer the question? Anyone else answer the question? At least I think you understood it. Okay. Fine my dear friends, I am moving on option choice E. सरज जी बहुत अच्छा किया आप, आगे क्वेश्चन करते हैं सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. It's really a good question at the moderate level. Now, a jar contains a mixture of two liquid x and y in the ratio of 3:2, x and y. Now, 15 liter of mixture is replaced with liquid y. Okay, if you are taking out the 15 liter, the very first thing it should strike in your mind that 15 liters, how much x goes out and how much y goes out. They are in the ratio of 3:2. The total part is 5 part. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, 3 into 3 is 9 liter x goes out, and 3 into 2 6 liter y goes out. Instantly it should strike in your mind. And further when I read the question, and the ratio of x and y in the resultant mixture is a 1:1 in the resultant mixture. So, but that means both are same. Both are same means the x is equal to y. Okay. The next one. So, what is the quantity of liquid y in the jar after 15 liter mixture is removed? Okay. So, shall I give you the time, or shall I give you the clue how to respond it? Shall I give you the clue how to respond it? These two are, after doing this activity, these two are equal. Now, I can consider the initial value of x as this x as 3x. This is what the initial value was, from here how many liter you have taken out? 9 liter you have taken out. This is what is left, and the right hand side left hand side equal, because 1:1, which is equal to, from here onwards I will give you the time, my dear friend. Answer the question. I am not in the middle of the text and camera. Oh my God, Mr. Narasimha Rao, he already answered the question. He says option C. Option C. Every day just Narasimha, we are practicing it. I know the different question I brings. When we practice, you practice the different question, your understanding will become wider and faster. Well done, well done. Okay, I am just, the time is up here. Okay, look at this, this one, the Mr. Yashwant, Mr. Sumit ji, how easy this question is. So, this is what the x is left, and how much is y left? The y is 2x, initial value was 2x. From here you have taken 6 liter from here, minus 6, and then you have added 15 liter of y. So, this y 15 liter is added. Now, these two are equal because the ratio is 1:1, x to y. Then what is the quantity of liquid y in the jar after 15 liter of mixture is removed? After 15 liter of mixture is removed, then this is x and this is y. You are asked to find out this value, 2x minus 6. So, okay, solve it. Now, I notice that this one is here, it is 9, and this is 2x, x is equal to 18, x is equal to 18. I need after 15 liters is taken out, this is what the value is, that 2x is 18 into 2 is 36 minus 6, which is nothing but 30. That is my answer, my dear friend. Hope you understood it. And what is the answer given by Narasimha? The Narasimha, you said option choice C, and it is 30, my dear friend. Hope you understood it. Okay, I will bring the different questions which actually comes in the prelim to main examination. Hope you understood this part. I am moving on to the next question, and I think you have added this 15. Narasimha, you have added 30 plus 15, you are saying 45. But you look at the question, that what is the quantity of liquid y in the jar after 15 liter of is removed. That means after this removal, that means after this removal, that means this is 2x minus 6. Moving on to the next question, and this is 12th question in a row. After that, one more question will be there, which is important. There are two vessels A and B. A contains 53 liters of alcohol, B contains 50 liter of alcohol. Statement very clear. Initially 15 liter of alcohol from A is poured into B. So, it is talking about this is A and B, and in A 53 liters of alcohol is there, and in B there is only water. 50 liter of water is there over here, and it is said that 15 liter of alcohol from A is poured into B. So, from here to here the 15 liter goes here alcohol, and after that 26 liter of solution from B is poured into A. So, from B now it has become solution, this is water plus alcohol. Now, 26 liter of solution is poured into A. Now, find the ratio of alcohol to water in A. In A. Now, in A, how much is alcohol and how much is water? That is what I need to find it out. Come on, my dear friends, alcohol to water. Your 30 seconds starts now. Come on, try this. Please come and see that, because you are at the age you can't afford year by year loss of getting the job. So, it is a very prime time, all the notifications are going to come. please join and we will practice some known questions, some unknown question for you. Oh, 29:3. Oh my God, Yashwant, 29:3. Shall I check the answer? Yashwant has already said and Sumit Pawar sir already said. So, let me check the answer. Option A. It's seems to be option B, my dear friend. Okay, not an issue. Sometimes I also place the options wrongly. Okay, look at this one. What I need to do over here? When the 15 liter comes over here, then this is the water, and plus 15 liter is the alcohol. So, what is the ratio of water and alcohol in the mixture? So, 50:15, and with 5 this gets cancelled, that is 10:3. So, any quantity you will take and bring over here, in that alcohol will be 3 part and water will be 10 part. The total 10 plus 3 is 13. So, when you are bringing 26 liter, in this 26 liter how much will be the alcohol and how much will be water? Alcohol will be 3 parts. So, this 26 divided by 13 is 2. So, 2 into 3, that is 6 liter is alcohol, and 10 into 2, 20 liter is water. That is how 26 liter comes in. Now, what is the ratio of alcohol to water? So, from this 53, if I take out 15, so I will be left with 38, and 38 plus another 6, 38 plus 6, how much it comes? 44 is the alcohol. Because from the alcohol I have taken out 38 liter of alcohol is left. Now, 6 liter more comes. So, that is 38 plus 6 is 44 alcohol, and water here how much water? Previously there was no water. Now, how much water comes here? 20 liter water comes here through this 26 liter of solution. So, this is 20. So, when I take up with 4 this gets cancelled, 11:5 should be the ratio. Option choice B, my dear friends. Hope I am clear. Sumit sir, Yashwanji, am I clear? I am just waiting for your response, or is there any confusion in this solution? Especially Yashwant sir or Sumit sir, Mr. Yashwant, Mr. Sumit Pawar, is that clear? Okay, well done. And now the last question here, this one. See that sir, it is a practice. As you keep doing the practice, your accuracy level will keep increasing. Now, a vessel contains a mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 7:5. That means, if 7x is the milk, 4x is the water. 36 liter of mixture is taken out from the vessel, and x liter of mixture containing milk and water in the ratio of 5:1, right, added to the mixture. So, x liter in it is a separate combination, x liter of mixture containing the milk and water in the ratio of 5:1. You are pouring this, how many liters you are pouring this? X liter you are pouring this. The resultant mixture contains the milk and water. When you have mixed these two, then the resultant mixture is milk to water 23:13. Now, the initial quantity of mixture in the vessel was initial quantity y. Okay. So, which of the following values satisfies the blank x to y? The first one is x, the second one is y. I will tell you the approach, and after that I will leave it for you to answer this question, and that is, here what is the initial one, that is 7:5. The milk is 7 part out of 12 parts. So, the first one here it is 7 part out of 12 part, and here is the x here, x here. Please remember that here this is the first one, the first one is y. So, 36 liter is taken out. So, this represents y minus 36, y minus 36. In this 7 by 12 is the milk, and the second one, this is x, in this 5 by 6 is the water by total. Whereas, in the mixture, when these two are mixed, 23 by 36, this one 23 by 36, this is what is the mean. So, I will get this to this ratio. Yes, my dear friends. So, what I will do over here is, I will make this 36 as multiplying by 3 by 3. So, I do not need to consider the denominator. I will make this 36 multiplying by 6 by 6. So, that means what is happening here is, this is 21, that is y minus 36 is 21, and x is 30, and the mean is 23. So, you can get the ratio and see which one value satisfies this ratio. Now, here your time starts, and here is your 30-second, my dear friend, 30-second. So, if you keep working on the questions like this, your understanding, conceptual understanding will expand. So, the question comes in any way, as your conceptual understanding has more flexible, and you can apply that, answer the question in a quicker and accurate way. Come on, answer it. This is y minus 36, this is 21. I can write down this here itself, here itself, this is 21, this is 30. No need of writing this separately. So, here this is 21, let me write down here itself, and this is 30, this is 21, and this is 30, what I wrote over here, and in the middle is 23 over 36. So, please work out, my dear friends, and it will take some time, I understand, but you have to expand yourself. Your understanding has to be expanded, sir, because when the race starts in the examinations, there is difficult to catch with the other, it is only your speed matters here. Now, what now I am understanding is y minus 36 to x is in the ratio of 7:2. So, which value will satisfy this equation? So, here this is y minus 36 and here it is x, and what is the ratio I am getting over here, that is, what is the ratio, which of the following satisfies the blanks respectively. So, I need the x first. So, reverse this, look at this one, the way the question was there, I picked up from the previous year question. So, here I need the x first, then comes y. So, x and y minus 36, and this should be in the ratio of 2:7. So, what value of x and y can satisfy? Come on, from here onwards I will check the first one, 24 and 190. If this is 24, option A, if this is 24 and this is 190, then 190 minus 36, and that comes 154. So, this is 154. Is these two are in the ratio of 2:7? So, let us take this one with 12 2 times and with 12 will it be 7 times 12 7 84 no. So, option A no, option B. Okay. Please explain again. Okay. You came first time my dear friend. Okay, okay. So, keep coming. बैक बेंचर का भाई कोई बात नहीं है सर. You get 21 and 30. Look at this my dear friend. The first thing we got that 7 by 7 plus 5 is 12. That is what we got in this case 7 by 12, and in the second case we got this as 5 by 6, and in the middle we got this as 23 by 36. So, if you simplify this, make this denominator 36 and 36, you are getting these values, and here 23 by 36 is there. So, this 23 comes here, that is 7:2. Now, here I need the value of x and y. So, and this value is after taking 36 liter, that is y minus 36, but I need the first x value. So, take this x 2 in the right hand side and 7 as left hand side, and you have to check with the options because these all are the combinations. Okay. Try to answer the question my dear friends, try to answer the question. Shall I check B? Shall I check B? This is 48 and this one is 204. So, if this is 204, from 204 if I take out 36 over here, that is 14 minus 6 is 8 and 19 minus 3 that comes 16. So, this is 168. Is this in the ratio of 2:3? With 24 2 times, is this with 24 7 times, 7 4 is 28, carry 2, and 7 to 14 plus 2 16. Yes, the B is correct, but with B we have some combinations are there. So, wherever A is there you can remove it. Now, B with C, B with D. So, you can eliminate E. Now, I need to check these two C and D, and finally answer the question my dear friends. So, my motto is your practice should increase. Okay, okay. Thank you my dear friend, and I am just waiting someone will answer the question. Anusha has said option D. Okay, you people must be reaching the answer. B is correct. Now, the C is correct or not? If the C is correct, we will eliminate this option, because either B and D, B plus C or B plus D, any one of this. And Yaswant, option D, option D. Okay, let me check that. Yes, you are right, option D. Okay, my dear friend. So, it is a final verification, that is it is what you said. Let me check that C. So, let me check C. C is 72, here it is 72 and here it is 260, 260 minus 36, 224. So, here it is 224. So, 36 into 2, okay. With 36 if I multiply with 7, 7 6 42. Am I going anywhere wrong here? That is B and C, 72 and 260, 260 minus 36, 240. Now, this is 36 into 2 and 36 into 7, 7 6 42. Okay, this is Y is 260, then how is it? How is it? Option choice D. Okay, because C is not satisfying. Now, I will go for option D here. So, let us check the last verification of option D. Option D. here it is 120 and here it is 456, 456 minus 36 and I am getting this one as 420, 420. Is these two are in the ratio of 2:7? So, I cancel this and with 6 2 and with 6 7, yes, that is right. So, therefore, B and D option choice D is your answer. Beautifully answer the question, my dear friend. That is what this type of questions are. So, option D is the answer. Hope some good questions we have discussed today. Every day I will be bringing on the questions which are important and frequently asked questions, and your concepts will be getting wider, the application will be accurate. That is my view, idea of taking these classes. With this, thank you very much, my dear friend, for participating it, and wish you all the best to all of you. I wanted to see you all in tomorrow 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock again. Thank you.